mentioned, whenever there is a high wind event in Southern California, some power companies preemptively turn off the power to some communities to prevent arcing power lines or down power lines, and that could happen today. First, let me take you out to some live pictures. We sent our breaking news crew out to Porter Ranch. This is in the parking lot of the Porter Ranch Town Center, where there's a Walmart out there. There's a lot of shops. You can see just a little bit of breeze there on those palm trees. Porter Ranch, a traditionally pretty windy community. Right now, it looks like they're getting a slight breeze out there. But really, the concern is for the high winds in the foothill communities and in the mountains. And Southern California Edison is concerned about that, too. If you come out to my screen, I want to talk a little bit about the public safety power shutoffs that they could implement today. Now, right now, Southern California Edison says no one is experiencing a power safety shutoff right now, 0 customers, but potentially 65,000 customers of their 5 million could. That's about 18,000 in LA County, Orange 15,000, Riverside and San Bernardino about 8,000. And Ventura County, almost 30,000 customers could have their power turned off today, potentially. Now, to illustrate where this is happening, all of these orange areas are areas of concern for the power company. These are where these public safety power shutoffs could happen. You can see Moore Park, Fillmore, Malibu, all through Simi Valley here, Santa Clarita up through Agua Dulce and Acton. These are all foothill communities. Over here in the Inland Empire, up to 15 into Bloomington, also the Morongo Reservation area, San Jacinto, and also, of course, in Orange County, Santiago Canyon, Silverado Canyon, and a Majeska Canyon. So Southern California Edison says they monitor this minute by minute. They only turn the power off if absolutely necessary. Otherwise, they will keep the power on. They just don't want arcing power lines or any vegetation fires. That's it from the desk. I'll keep monitoring this. Until then, I'll send it back to you.
Okay, Mark, thank you. The president's son is facing more